What's up, everybody? This is Demo Aurelius. Not much happening except for my new chair is here. New use. Brother gave it to me free. He told me that he had one and saw it last time I was there, and he brought it today when we had lunch or breakfast. We're getting some work done, and he's in construction. I used to be in construction, but you know, my body don't want to work with me like that anymore. So, old chair, what I built. Basically, that's where that wood I was looking for went. This was a little box, little half a section that I built from a couple of pieces that were sitting like that. Cut that down, and we had the two 2x4s and 2x6s and little wood planks from the fence. So it was simple. It did what I needed to do. The moving around was the suck ass part about it, but it is what it is, and it did its duty. So now I'm going to have to either build the base or figure out keeping it from moving around, and either put shoes or something, or remove the wheels completely. So, removing the armrests will happen eventually. I will figure out about the swiveling, and I will figure out about the casters. And once all that's together and it's just a almost stationary seat, it'd be good. Because with that one and this, yeah, I know it's a pillow topper, but guess what? It was a full-size pillow topper, and I have a queen-size bed now. I'm single. I can do with a twin-size bed if I had to, but I use full because, or bigger, so I can move around. And with that being said, there's no need for a pillow topper, and definitely for that seat. So since that seat is ghost, this is here. We'll have more consistency once I get rid of the casters from moving around and the swiveling. Two things I found in sim racing or sim driving. If you want to get good and consistent, what you definitely need is a good seating position where you don't move around, and usually some good pedals. A good set of pedals will help you go a long way because you're more consistent and you know where you are in your braking. Load cell, new technology, but it's good because it's by pressure instead of just regular distance or angle like you would in a hall sensor or a potentiometer. Potentiometers are okay for what they are, but you'd rather go with a hall sensor because it's magnetic and it's more precise. Load cells, they're precise, but you're having to use, I'm saying you have to use the hall sensor usually within that, and the pressure is definitely, if you're at a threshold and you're not pushing hard enough and your seat is moving around, you're not always reading the same pressure that you really need. And I saw that through the pedal things, the pedal monitors on a set of Corsa and Gran Turismo. Your throttle's over here, your brake is over here. And hitting on the brake sometime, it goes quarter instead of all the way up. So, seeing that and realizing that I needed a seat, and I had been needed a seat, but especially when I put that there, it changed my driving, my seating location, and my chair started moving around. And because of that, I had to definitely, which I was going to try to get a seat by the end of the week, but it was given to me today, and I'm quite happy. I'm not going to be like, no, I'm going to get me something else. It's going to serve me as long as I need it. And if I do get a full rig and with the whole seat, then this will be used for office. So, with that being said, everybody have a good day. Wash your hands, drink some water, stay out in people's face. Try to have a good day. Be as positive as you can be without getting ran over by people. That's all I gotta really say. Thank you for the likes, subscribes, the questions. It's not always going to be me with video games or sim racing. I might just ramble like I've been rambling from time to time, showing pictures of stagnant shit just like this and just talking for like 10 minutes, just like, well, when you talk about the sim race, when are you going to get on there with the blue screen and show us what's really going on, even though we can't see half of the shit that's going on in your screen? Yeah, I have to take some of those replays. I started doing some left foot braking after I changed the shifter, and that was my first time really doing full and getting pretty good lapping on a GT3, the Mazda 6 Atenza. I think that's whatever it's called. But anyway, I was driving that in Gran Turismo 7 and left foot braking. I think I was in almost called Ortega, the Nürburgring. I don't remember what track it was on. It was like a couple of days ago, and I drove quite a bit of other tracks with Gran Turismo and did some more races, and I've had quite a bit of meds over the past few days since I've drove it. So anyhow, button works, tuning I'm still learning, still trying to get a understanding of what I'm feeling with the wheel. The force feedback is okay, but it's not where I need it to be, and I don't feel my front wheels half of the time. But that's because of the tuning in the game and this, that, and the other, and the differences. So we're trying to get that together. And once all that's together, hopefully my content will be a whole bunch better for you guys. So thank you for your support. You guys be safe. I'm done rambling. I know you're tired of me rambling. So I'm going to say be safe. 1.